Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to bring gallery blocks onto your Squarespace website. Let's get right to it. If you're using Squarespace 7.1, you might have noticed that the classic gallery block seems to be missing when you edit a standard page. That's because Squarespace shifted to using gallery sections instead. To add a gallery to a regular page, you need to click Add Section, choose the Images category, and select a layout. This gives you a dedicated section for your photos where you can adjust it to be a grid or a slideshow. But the classic gallery block is not actually gone. You can still use it inside specific content areas that do not use sections. This includes your blog posts, event descriptions, or product additional info pages. Just click the insert point inside your text editor and select Gallery to drop it right in. There is one major exception to this rule. If you are a Squarespace Circle member, the platform actually unlocks the ability to use the classic gallery block across any page across your entire 7.1 site. And that is it. You now know exactly how and where to use galleries. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.